Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Allow me to begin by expressing my gratitude for the opportunity to speak today. My name is Benedict Marcelo Carlos Pasidi, and I am a student majoring in public relations at Pinus University in Malang. Have you ever wondered what truly shapes the future of nation? Is it the economy, the politics, or the natural resources? While all of those matter, there is one factor that stands above the rest. Is it education? Especially higher education. In today's speech, I will bring the light to the central issue that many of us may take for granted, the vital importance of university education in our society. So right now we live in a fast-changing world driven by technology, innovation, and global competition. In such an environment, knowledge is power, and universities are the engine that drive in knowledge forward. However, in many developing countries, including Indonesia, access to university education remains a challenge, not just physically or financially, but even more so in terms of its perceived relevance. Here lies the core of the issue: why is higher education still undervalued in some part of society? Why do we continue to question its relevance when it has repeatedly proven to be a critical tool for a personal and national development? These are questions we must answer as we shape the future of education in our country. So university education empowers individuals, and it doesn't just teach technical skills. It encourages critical thinking, problem solving, and leadership. It opens doors to career opportunities and provides individuals with the tools to contribute meaningfully to society. Someone who has access to quality higher education has a stronger chance of escaping poverty and becoming a change maker in their community. And beyond individuals, universities are the backbone of national progress, and the research and innovation come from higher education institutions. The engineer who built our infrastructure, the doctor who saved lives, the teachers who shape future generation, most of them are product of university. A nation that invests in higher education is a nation that invests in its own strength and independence. And Indonesia, as a rising force in ASEAN, cannot afford to fall behind in education. Of our neighbors are pushing for international standard. Universities and global collaboration, if we don't prioritize higher education now, we risk being left behind in the global race. So university is not just an academic milestone, but it is a strategic necessity. So what must we do? We need to raise our awareness about the value of university education. We must push for inclusive policies that allow more students, especially from rural and marginalized background, to access universities. And as students, educators, and citizens, we must treat higher education not as luxury thing, but as a right and responsibility. So in conclusion, higher education is not optional, and it is essential for you, for me, for Indonesia. So let us recognize the importance of university education and work together to make accessible, relevant, and impactful for all. Because the future of our nation depends on what we invest today.